My YouTube channel got hacked. This is how I got my channel back and how you can do the same, and how not to fall into the trap I fell into. So once you've started your YouTube channel and you get over a certain amount of subscribers, eventually you start getting these sponsorship deals. So you get emails every week by different companies wanting to sponsor your videos, and it makes sense to do them because they pay better than YouTube does. And you get a lot of scams as well, but they're usually really easy to spot. This was different. Got this email from what I thought was Skillshare, which is a legit company that you help share skills around, and emailed this company back and forth a bit. They weren't pushy, they weren't too aggressive, and didn't order ridiculous money or anything like that. They seemed pretty legit. So back and forth over a week, I decided, yeah, I'll probably do this one, as maybe I can learn a bit more about hydrofoils and stuff like that. They sent me an affiliate link that I could click on and go into their, what I thought was the Skillshare site. And I went into the site and it looked like a normal website. You could click on different tabs and things moved and looked legit to me. And then it said sign in with your YouTube, which I thought, this is great, I don't have to have another login or something like that. It will just use my YouTube login. But no, it actually took my password. So I had two-step verification, all that turned on, but it didn't matter because as soon as they got in, they just changed all my backups really quick before I knew. And I went through trying to get back the normal way you do, you know, you message my phone, message my other email account, but they had changed it so all the messages just went back to them. So that was getting me nowhere. At this stage I still thought I just messed up logging in or something. And then I went to my YouTube and I can't get in because it's linked to my Gmail. So after stressing out for a little while, I just thought I'll leave it alone. I'll come back and log in when I think I can, have another go at it. I started feeling like, yeah, maybe I've been scammed. I've been hacked somehow. Then the thing is, there's not really a good email address to email Gmail or email YouTube to try and get your account back, or try to get back into it, or figure out what's going on. So I sent a few what I thought were emails to a real address, but they weren't. They were just some automated system to sort of like a YouTube forum and stuff like that. Then later that night I started getting messages and people saying your account's been hacked, they're live streaming some sort of North Korean propaganda on your channel, live stream. So I saw that and then frantically was trying to email, please shut my YouTube channel down, this is bad. And tried lots of different things, but I had work the next day. So by 1 o'clock in the morning I went to bed, ready for work at 5. My channel got shut down. I thought maybe it was one of my emails that got through to someone, so they'd shut it down, but it wasn't that. They'd just been breaking the rules with their scam content they were promoting. And they'd gone through and changed all of my homepage and everything to some weird blue chip thing or something like that. I didn't really look at it too much, to be honest. I was too busy trying to get it taken down. So as you can imagine, this is pretty stressful, but YouTube's not my job. I've got a full-time job, so it is not the end of the world, but it's still a real pain having your channel taken like that. You're worried what they can put on there. They can email people and ask for things. The only way I actually found out how to get through this was watching other people on YouTube that had the similar problems. Heaps of big YouTubers have had this happen to them as well. And it turns out the best way to get through this, you need to send a message on X to YouTube team or YouTube creators. Add that little hashtag in your message and explain your channel's been hacked. And then they will message you in a direct email. You have to have another email account, luckily, which I did. And that will be actually a real person instead of the automated system. They keep trying to direct you through this automated system, which doesn't work at all because as soon as they're into your account, they just go through and change all of your backups. So there's no other way in. Like my name wasn't even coming up as having a Gmail account. So there's no way an automated system is getting it back if these particular hackers are as advanced as the ones that had my account. It literally took a week of emailing back and forth. You know, you get one reply every day. I'd email every day, and what you've got to write in your email is to escalate. We need to escalate this situation. I need access into my account. So what they did in the end, this is after like 5-6 days, they send me a, redo your password email. So I could click on there, redo my password for my Gmail. That got me back in. So that's how you solve it. Go to Twitter, which is X now, write a message saying, Team YouTube, please help, my account's been hacked. Then you start talking to a real person and you say we need to escalate things. And they can do it because they did it for me, and I know they've done it for other YouTubers. They can give you another backdoor in to get it back. Just wish it happened quicker. This is my own fault that all of this happened. I mean, I'm not so good at computers and emails and all that sort of carry on. But the YouTube guys were really good at helping me get through it. They could have stopped emailing me and just said, no, you can't have your account back, but they persisted and they made it happen. So super grateful for that. So if you get one of these sponsor type emails, don't sign in via your Gmail or YouTube account. Another way they can get you as well is sometimes they'll make you download a contract, and in that contract there will be a virus and they can read your computer. That's even worse. Lucky I didn't get that one. But here's the weird thing. They didn't even change my AdSense, so I still got paid from YouTube. So they'd live streamed those messages on there, and I could only figure out it must have been some sort of gain politically or something like that. So I don't even know what the purpose of the whole thing was. It's a real elaborate setup just to live stream. I don't even really know what it was. I didn't really watch it. But anyway, I'll be back to work soon. I've got heaps of projects coming up. See you in the next one.